So hey, super excited. I know I always say that, but this time I really am. We got with D&D Exhaust and we designed with them the upswept, the straight, we got like a bunch of different tips coming out for 2018 and up Softails. These will work on the Fat Boy, the Softail, the Heritage. I don't even know what all the models are Harley has right now, but check these out. They've got a crossover tube, so they actually make power. They come with baffles. You can either put the baffles in or leave the baffles out. We have the upswept. Here's my model right here, my fishtail model. And
upswept chrome.
Or we offer them in black as well. Come with really bitchin' instructions. Rusty, of course, did the instructions. But they just don't have, they make power. They're just awesome. So check them out on our website, dirtybirdconcepts.com. We're figuring out the pricing right now and everything. But this is Rumble On's bike too, I want to mention. They brought it back to us, we built it, and we gave them the exhaust. So pretty cool people. Check them out. So I'm going to let my tip model here, Ben, show you the different options that we have.
So we either have an upswept chrome, we have a straight chrome, which will be like that, not as far back so you still won't drag, or we offer the pipes in a complete black and you'll get the same, either straight black or you get a straight or your upswept black.
Let's fire this baby up, huh?
Yeah.
Hopefully we got everything here. Come back here. So this is no mufflers, and I mean it's not as raspy when I rev it up, as you'll see. And they actually make power. I feel like that's like an old Impala, old 64. What's that song?
Cruising down the street in my 6'4".
Yeah, there you go. No singing for you.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. All right, guys, thanks, Dirty Bird. Yeah, so we have some technical sound difficulties outside, so we're going to let you hear it in here. This is with no muffler. Imagine you throw some cams in and stuff, but no crackly old fishy sound with that crossover. You put some mufflers in if it's still too loud for you, and